Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching the globe simulator and loading a manageable region. This reduces loading stalls and gives you immediate visuals to roam. Once done, switch to free-fly camera and lower movement speed to 1/2 or 1/4 so you can inspect features. Make sure high-detail terrain and 2x texture scaling are enabled to see landmarks clearly. These steps let you start moving right away while keeping performance stable and visuals informative for precise exploration. Now you practice smooth navigation. Combine keyboard thrust for long transits with mouse look for precise panning. This gives you both speed and accuracy. Once comfortable, toggle layers such as roads, elevation, weather, and POI markers so you immediately understand context and can prioritize interesting spots. Make sure to drop waypoints and copy coordinates each time you find a detail worth revisiting. This creates a simple map log and prevents backtracking. Together, these steps build a systematic roaming workflow. To finish, save your route file and export screenshots or a short clip so you can review discoveries later. This preserves your progress and makes sharing easy. Once done, reduce render settings briefly if the frame rate drops below 30 FPS to maintain smooth roaming. If streaming textures or objects stutter, reload the region or restart the simulator to clear cache and streaming queues. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most visual hiccups and gets you back to exploring quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.